In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get your company promoted on Google Maps in less than 10 minutes. Hi, I'm Susanna and I help businesses improve their Google Ads performance, and usually local campaigns are some of the fastest wins because someone searching on Maps usually already wants something now. They are not browsing, they are looking to visit, call or buy. So let's make sure your business can actually show up to them. First, check if your Google Business account is connected to Google Ads. If those two are not linked, you're limiting your ability to appear properly in local placements like Maps. To do that, go to Tools, Data Manager, and find Google Business Profile. If those are linked, your job is done. If not, scroll down and find the Google Business and click and follow the instructions. They are really easy. Next, go to your assets and add location asset. To do that, go to Campaigns, Assets, Location, and check if they are already connected. You don't need to do anything. If not, click plus. You can add those locations on the account, campaign or ads group. This tells Google which business location to show with your ads. Yeah, let's say let's set up it on account level. You can choose either location groups or all location. Let's choose all locations because we have just one location here. Click Save. Congratulations, part of the work is done, and if you run in any search campaigns, users will be able to see your ads on Google Maps just because you connected your locations. But if you don't run any campaigns or you want to create a separate campaign that will be shown only on Google Maps, you can do that. So let's go to and create a new campaign. Choose Performance Max campaign, and this part is really important. So for example, if you leave those goals, your Performance Max campaign will never optimize for local directions, local actions like directions, store visits, and so on. So if the campaign is chasing generic clicks, you may get traffic. But if you want real store visits, calls, or directions, the optimization strategy needs to reflect on that. This is why many businesses get activity but never results. So let's delete. We want to focus on calls and in this case get directions, as we don't have any store visit goals now. So we will leave phone calls lead, delete sign up, delete lead forms, add goal, and we want to get directions. And yeah, we are ready. And we continue to create our Performance Max campaign for local actions on map. So we will paste our website, click continue. There is automatically generated campaign name. You can keep it like that or change it. I will keep it like that and click continue. Start new. And what you want to focus on is the conversions, just because we need as much actions as we can get. And next step is choosing your locations. So you can select all countries or one country or make it more detailed. What I personally prefer to do is enter another location, advanced search, radius. Let's select 3 miles and start typing random thing, and you will see Google Business Location include. So basically what we do, we tell Google that we want to target only those people who are in the 3 miles around our locations. And click Save. Let's click Next. You can also generate assets by AI, and for this example I will do that, but I not recommend to do that for for usual campaign just because sometimes it gives you really strange results. But yeah, in any case, you can change it. Make sure that you included site links. And now we went to signals. So what signals are? That basically something like keywords in search campaigns. I recommend to use search keywords that search themes that matching your location intent. So for example, it might be coffee shop downtown, plumber in the city, dentist near me. And in this case, we will use search themes related to marketing agencies. So for example, those signals will tell Google what kind of interests those users have, what they're looking for, and so on and so on. So yeah, what you can also do, you can click additional signals and select interests that are related to your business. In our case, it will be digital advertising and agencies. Click Next. You can select any budget that you want. You can use recommended budget or select a custom. Let's continue with $30 per day. Click Next. And your campaign is done. You can check that you selected the whole all goals that needs to be included. In our case, it's get directions and phone call leads. You can also check every setting, and when you're ready, you click Publish Campaign. Congratulations, you're done with maps. Congratulations, your work with campaign is done. Soon users will be able to see your ads when they are looking for specific type of services. And they will be able to build directions and visit your offline stores. If you run a local business and you want to know whether your Google Maps ads helping you or hurting you, we offer a free Google Ads audit. We'll show you where your local visibility is leaking, what signals are missing, and how to improve your performance. To access it, click on the YouTube button below this video and you'll see the links in the descriptions. Sometimes one small setup issue can cost you months of customers. If this video helped you, click like and subscribe to the channel. I post simple practical explanations every week, and watch the next video where I explain why Google Ads overspending your daily budget. See you there!